Hey friends, welcome back to my channel that is Learn Computer Science with Manik Sharma. Today I am going to share three different methods of creating a table in Oracle. Let's first understand the meaning of a table. Table, also known as a relation, is one of the important component of a relational database management system. In general, a relation comprises of rows and column, also known as tuple and attribute respectively. As discussed in the last video, there are different categories of SQL statements like DDL, DML, DCL and TCL. That is data definition language, data manipulation language, data control language and transaction control language. For your reference, the link of that video has been mentioned in the description section of this video. In SQL, a table is created using a create statement. It is a DDL statement and can be used to create a table in different manner. We can create a table from scratch. We can create a copy of an existing table. And we can create a copy of an existing table without its data. That is, only structure will be created. Let's move to the first method. That is creating a table from scratch. The general syntax to create a table using SQL statement is create table, table name, bracket start, column 1, data type, its size, comma, column 2, data type, its size, comma, so and so on, column n, its data type, size, and then braces. At the end, we need to put semicolon. Here, column name represent the name of the column. It can be like roll number, age, first name, last name, etc. Data type represent the nature of the column or the attribute. In this session, we are focusing on two data types only, that is number and varchar. At a core level, the number data type is used for numeric column like age, salary, roll number, registration number, etc. And varchar is used to store alphanumeric data. Each line should be separated with a comma and the complete statement need to be terminated with a semicolon. Let's take an example of student table. The steps to create a student table are create table, student, bracket start, roll number, its size that is 4, then name, varchar 2, size that is 20, then class, its data type that is varchar and size 12, then address, again its data type is varchar and size is 20. At last we have put the semicolon to terminate the statement. Please note that name of the column is roll num. As it should be numeric, therefore its data type is number. Size represents the largest value that can be stored in a roll number. Size 4 indicates that a roll num can have a value in between 0 to 9999. Create statement can also be used to create a copy of an existing table rather than designing it from scratch. The general syntax to create a table from an existing table is create table, new table, as select star from existing table. For example, if we want to create a copy of an EMP table in a table that is named as TEMP, that is temp EMP, then we need to write create table temp EMP as select star from EMP semicolon. This will create a copy of EMP table and named as temp EMP. All the data of EMP table will be available in temp EMP. Finally, create table is also used to create a copy of the structure of an existing table. In such a case, only the structure will be copied and the contents will not be copied to the new table. The general syntax is create table, table name, as select star from existing table where wrong condition. For example, create table TEMP EMP STRU, this is the name of the table, as select star from EMP where 1 is equal to 2 semicolon. It should be noted that here 1 is equal to 2 is the wrong condition. One can enter any wrong condition like 3 is equal to 7, 9 is equal to 8 and so on. It should be noted that only the structure of the EMP table will be copied. That means there will be no record in the new table. That is TEMP EMP STRU table will not have any record. The practical implementation of these statements in Oracle will be discussed in the next video. For more updates and technical insights of computer science, please subscribe this channel. Thank you.